Hi, today I will show you how to replace the keyboard of Dell Inspiron laptop. First, you need a flathead screwdriver to do that. Note that you have to remove all the peripherals like AC adapter, battery, and use a razor blade to avoid scratch. Then follow these steps for replacing the keyboard. First, close the display and turn the laptop over. Second, slide the battery release latches to unlock the position. Third, use your fingertips to lift the battery at an angle and remove the battery. Four, turn the laptop over and open the display, and then slide the keyboard latches to unlock the position. And sixth, you use a flathead screwdriver to detach uh, keyboard out of laptop, and then disconnect the old keyboard cable. And next, connect the cable of the new keyboard to the laptop, and finally reverse these steps to install the keyboard. That's all. Good luck.